Hi ma'am, good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Christine Torino Corona, 34 years old. I'm residing at Alicumuhan, Subongkongon, Misamis Oriental.
So, what is your marital status, ma'am?
Married. I have two children, one boy, 3 years old, and one girl, 14 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have 12 siblings, and I am a youngest of them.
Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm a college graduate, taking Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
From what school, ma'am?
Misamis Oriental Institute of Science Technology, Mois Balingasag, Misamis Oriental.
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am. I had my experience here in the Philippines for 2 years, from 2020 to 2022.
Okay, so what kind of experience is that, ma'am? What is your position?
I'm a housemaid, ma'am.
Alright, so being a housemaid, ma'am, what is your duties and responsibilities?
My main duties are cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and taking care child 6 years old.
Okay, is that your duties and responsibilities, ma'am? Is
Yes,
that all?
ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and respectful.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
So, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to support my children's needs, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, especially big dogs, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I want to calm him or the him, and I want to play her or him, and I want to ask her or him to what to do, or anything, or ask them to what you want to cook a food like
Okay.
that.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. If you hire me as a work or dates worker, ma'am, I will do my job. If you have a children, I treat them as my own children. And can you assure that I'm a hardworking, honest, and respectful?
Okay, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.